Welcome to the Bigger Brains course, Master in Outlook 365 Intermediate. My name is Kathy Jones. I've been a Microsoft trainer and consultant for over 25 years, helping people learn to be more productive and efficient using Office products. Microsoft Outlook is a powerful tool you can use to stay connected and get organized, and I'm excited to teach you how to use its features. This course is intended for users who are familiar with Outlook basics but want to have a solid understanding of additional features. We'll start by attaching and linking Outlook items and documents and work through options for reviewing and proofing messages. Then we'll set message options and track messages, as well as create multiple signatures. Next, we'll look at multiple ways to manage messages and conversations, set up and use categories, and customize automatic replies. Then, we'll modify calendar settings, share calendars, and create Teams meetings. From there, we'll create tasks, add recurring tasks, and manage tasks. We'll also share tasks and then finish by looking at the Notes feature. As you go through this course, I recommend that you stop the video periodically and practice what I'm showing you so you can do the same activities right along with us. By the end of this course, my hope is that you will feel comfortable using many of the great features Outlook 365 has to offer.